Hi, I'm Heidi Lang from the University of Wisconsin-Madison, and I am currently the Assistant Director for Program and Leadership Development at the Wisconsin Union, which is our student center, our campus center. Um, and I oversee our student programming board, our Jones Leadership Center, our theater, our outdoor program, and our craft shop, which is called Wheelhouse Studios. And let's see, have a student affairs background. I've worked in student affairs since undergraduate and started out in housing for about 6 or 7 years. And then since then, I've been with the Wisconsin Union. Let's see, I have two boys who are 13 and 16. And right now I'm a little bit at my wit's end with them. We're wrapping up the school year and trying to get everything in and get them ready for exams. And let's say I enjoy pottery and gardening and painting as hobbies, although I'm not able to do that as much lately. In terms of my relationship with quantitative methods, I have little to no formal experience with that, and this class will be a new experience for me. And because of that, I lean a little bit more towards the picture of the kid freaking out. But we'll see how this goes, and I feel just a tiny bit more prepared, or maybe a little bit more confident, a little bit more competent, just having survived the qualitative course, which I also entered into that trepidatiously, but it wound up being okay. So I'm hopeful that that will be the same case here. In terms of background, I have had a little bit of coursework, but my coursework was in the late 90s. And even during grad school, the statistics course that I took was affectionately referred to as Statistics for Student Affairs, which even with my dubious math skills, thought that it was ridiculously easy. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. I do regularly use data in my work environment. The vignette shared in the SRIREM text that was contrasting or equating assessment with research really resonated with me. I do quite a lot of research which is focused on assessing program outcomes, student experiences, student needs in the work that I do. I also use institutional data that's been collected, such as a recent inclusion study, our campus climate assessment, student employee survey, those types of that type of data to inform decision making and program development. In terms of a dissertation, need a little bit more work here in refining this area of interest, but I am interested in exploring the relationship between student organization advisor behaviors and student learning outcomes. You know, I think that we know it's well researched actually that being involved matters and increases student learning and engagement. But I'm curious to know what student organization advisors specifically do to intentionally create that meaningful learning environment. So I believe that that would put my question in the relationship among variables category that SRIREM spoke about in his text, because it would take a look at advisor behavior and how that correlates with student learning. So yeah, I look forward to being in the course with you and with my fellow cohort and learning more about this process of quantitative research, and look forward to watching the other videos.